Happy Halloween. As you can see guys, it's the 1st of October. We're starting our Halloween series. This is the ghost shot. As you can see, it illuminates in the dark. As I'm using a UV light here, just to show you what it looks like when the lights are turned off under a UV light. Just look at that luminous blue. This is the ghost shot. So what's going on guys, Mixed here, back again for another Halloween series. As I've just shown you, that is the glow in the dark shot, or the ghost shot. It glows in the dark, and it's certainly, it's just phenomenal. It's phenomenal. It's absolutely brilliant. It's 75%, which is absolutely ridiculous. And I showed you this a few weeks ago with a JSGC, but I just want to show you the difference of under the UV light, how it glows in the dark, because I will knock the lights off again to show you the shot version. So that is the ghost shot from Ghost Innovations. Thank you again for sending these test tubes, as it is 20ml. But we'll see in the but I'll put in a shot glass, so we'll see how much of this is. But this is my start of the Halloween series. It is the ghost shot, and it's nicely appropriate to get the series started. So here is the ghost shot. So what I'll do, this will be my kind of thing, Mixed versus the ghost shot. I'll be downing a shot of it. 75%. So it's a blue vodka liqueur. I'd say it is 20ml. I'll take everything back, it is 20ml, not even half a shot that. So I do have a little bit left over, so I'll make this one big shot. So that, my friends, is about 40ml. So that is 40ml, 1.3 ounce of ghost shot, blue vodka, a glow in the dark of vodka liqueur. So again, I will knock the lights off. I do a close shot of what it looks like under a normal light. So there it is close shot. You won't think that it's a blue, but now we will turn all the lights off and put the UV light on. And there it is, the ghost shot, 40ml that is. Just look at the difference of the glow in dark. That is ghost shot by Ghost Innovations. Thank you for sending this to me. Now for the real test, as I will down this in one go, the ghost shot, 75% or 150 proof. 2 test tubes of ghost shot, or 40ml, 1 shot of ghost shot, 75ml. My testing notes last time is like a very overcharged blue WKD. I've got the tasting notes of blueberry with it, so cheers. Happy Halloween. So the difference with this and other overproof spirits, it doesn't feel as strong. Don't give you, it gives you a little bit of a burning sensation as it travels down, but it's nice. It has that nice blueberry taste with it. It just tastes like a very, very overproof a very, very overproof blue WKD. That's what it reminds me of. So it tastes like, it's nice, which makes it even more a little bit dangerous. But it gets the party started. It's a great recommendation to get the party started. I would recommend 1 test tube and just get the party started like that. Just down it, as that's superb. As I must mention with the test tubes, I've already tried it once before, as I tried it with JSGC, which is why I did 2 test tubes, which was 40ml. But it's very, very nice. Doesn't make me cough as much as like the much stronger beer that did, the snake venom, or spiritus, as that is on a different level, absolutely. But that is fantastic. Thank you to Ghost Shots. I recommend that, I really recommend it. I give it an 8 out of 10. It glows in the dark, so it's very, very unique, and I highly recommended it, as that is a personal favourite. I'd certainly buy it from him again. But that's my personal opinion. What do you guys think of the ghost shot? Do let me know in the comments below. But if you like this video guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to Mixed for more Halloween themed cocktails and more Halloween shots. And I will see you guys for my next Halloween themed drink. And I will see you then. Cheers.